Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you again. Today I'm doing a beautiful rainbow pour on this piece of MDF wood, whatever you want to call it. Standard rainbow colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then I threw in a touch of black for just a little bit of contrast. So I'm going to show you a painting I did last night, and the video was awesome and I accidentally deleted it. I'm going to try to retrieve it today, but we'll see. So here I am just layering the colors. I like to pour them down the sides so they don't muddy together. I really prefer when they just kind of float on top of each other. And as you can see, the blue is not mixed quite like the other ones, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Look how pretty that was. So I decided to go with a tree ring pour for this one. It kind of turned into like a traveling tree ring because my board was not perfectly level. I'm just stretching, tilting. I tried not to do a ton. I really didn't want to lose all of that ring pattern. And now I'm just hitting it with the torch. Gonna see if that helps pop anything out. I did add silicone to my paints this time, between 3 and 4 drops in each cup, depending on how much paint was in my cup. And now we're just gonna let it sit for a while. I personally don't see much going on, and I have this sped up like 15 times. Okay, so there were a couple little paint boogers, but I wasn't worried about them. I'm not picking them out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. About to do the close-up. I think it turned out gorgeous. I love the way the colors played together. I almost got some lacing. Again, let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Share the video, that really helps. I really appreciate the support, guys. Please keep it up, help me grow my channel. I'll keep bringing you more content like this, and I'm going to try to make some more resin type videos, but I just hate mixing resin, so I don't do a whole lot of it. I do apologize. But anyway, what do you guys think? I think it's gorgeous. Absolutely freaking amazing. I think it's one of my favorites so far. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Bye!